part to make it all possible. So we thank both of you for all your efforts and encouragement in organizing this event. Thank you, ma'am. We thank all the teaching and non-teaching fraternity for extending their never-ending support and hard work. Thank you, all of you. The most importantly is the participating schools and the students community who have gathered here. You have accepted our invitation and has come here to participate with such a great enthusiasm. So we thank each one of you for your presence here. Once again, our heartfelt thanks to each one of you in making this event a successful one. Thank you for joining us. So I request all the participants and accompanying teachers, you can just move on to the venue wherever we are going to do our first or the preliminary dance. So there will be teachers, you can just accompany them.
Public School teachers layout.
Please come.
Shishkarni Central School. Shishkarni Central School.
Shishkarni.
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 Shishkarni Central School.
Okay.
I've attended many quizzes, but this was the most different and I liked one because what criteria I had prepared, I didn't get any questions, but it was a knowledgeful and I had more to learn and I got a few more criteria and knowledge about science. Thank you.
Great, great.
When I saw the paper, it was so challenging. It was experience, and now I got a bit confident to face like that questions. So I would like to thank all of you. Thank you so much.
Speed or velocity? Option B, distance. Option B is the right answer. So 10 points to team A. Team Quantum, sorry. Take some time. Team Quantum, the next question for you. Which element is most abundant in Earth's crust? Which element is most abundant in the Earth's crust? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen or hydrogen? Option A, carbon. Carbon is the wrong answer. It's oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth's crust. So no point, or they adjust or control the amount of light entering our eyes.
12 to 20 days. Yeah. Option? Option A is not the correct one. Only in the buzzer round. Okay? Fine. Shall we start? First question for Team Quantum. So here you don't have options. You have to answer. Your time is 30 seconds. Which experiment in wave optics is considered to be establishing the dual nature of light? That light behaves both as waves and particles. You have not answered in time. So it is a Young's double slit experiment which tells about setup. Okay? See the question carefully. I'm not keeping the time limit right now. Anthony Lavoisier and other chemists, they bought a diamond and placed it behind the lenses. Okay? And what happened? What is the conclusion of this famous experiment? Yeah? Diamond is made up of carbon. Yes, that is the right answer. So this was the basic experimental setup by which Lavoisier could prove that diamond also is made up of carbon, because on burning the diamond, carbon dioxide gas was produced, which was also same thing which was happening in charcoal was burned, when coal was burned. So 10 points to Team Quantum. Better? So next question for Team Spectrum. Yes, please identify this picture. It is a part of something. So please identify this picture. That's your question. Where? Which place? Or in which lab? Sweden, in which institute? You have to tell that. You just can't say Sweden or India like that, no? There are many particle accelerators. In Switzerland? Large Hadron Collider. Very good, Team Radiant. That was a superb answer. So it is a part of the Large Hadron Collider at the CERN. Okay? So that was a very good answer. Take some time to read what is there, and you have to tell about what this picture is talking about. Yes? Chernobyl, Ukraine is a part there. What was it? It was a nuclear power plant. And what happened there? There was an accident. Okay, I'll give it to you. Team Actress has given the correct answer. Light is not. Chandrayaan 3 is the right answer. Chandrayaan 3 has got all this. So questions are easy. Be alert. Yeah. The next question. India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine developed by which company in collaboration with the ICMR? Team Radiant. No? That is wrong answer. -5. It was Bharat Biotech. Serum Institute developed the other vaccine. Next question. This bird has become extinct. Okay? You have to name this bird or identify this bird. It is one of the extinct birds. Nobody wants to take a chance, it looks like. Okay. So we'll put the answer. This is the memo. It is one of the extinct birds. Milk involves centrifugal force or centripetal force. Correct? Base used in hexadecimal system of numbers is 6 or 16. No, that is wrong. 16. Polymers which are used to manufacture electric switches are polythene or bakelite. Bakelite. Correct? Table sugar is sucrose or fructose. Sucrose is correct. Nail polish remover contains acetone. Is it true or false? True, correct. Monosodium glutamate is the chemical name for monosodium glutamate is the chemical name for pass Chinese salt. How many carbon atoms are there in Buckminster's fullerene carbon? How many carbon? Because I started the question, I will come to it. How many carbon atoms are there in Buckminster's fullerene carbon? Yeah? That is wrong. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Which vehicle is carrying Vikram and Pragya? It's Chandrayaan 3. This space term comes from Latin words stars and sailors. Wrong. Astronaut. Marie Curie's lab notes were tested for radiations before auction. Is it true or false? True. Correct. Crash, correct. Elephants breathe through their trunks. It is true. Equivalent of Roman god Jupiter. Indian equivalent of Roman god Jupiter. Indra. Waves which are caused underwater during earthquakes. Waves which are caused underwater during earthquakes. During earthquakes. Tsunami. Wrong. Your question first, sir. The apple belongs to the rose family. Correct? Alloy formed by mixing chromium and iron is steel or bronze. C. Correct? Study of handwriting is called as graphology. Is it true or false? False. Correct? What is the speed of a flying ostrich? What is common between the snowflakes, salt and diamonds? Snowflakes, salts and diamonds. If you have excess of bilirubin in your body, what are you suffering from? Gallbladder. No, jaundice. How many fish are there? 2 codfish, 3 jellyfish and 5 crayfish. Total how many fish? 2 codfish, 3 jellyfish and 5 crayfish. No, there are 2 codfish. This unit of measurement in computer comes from binary and digit. Binary. The scale used to measure acidity is litmus or pH. Yes. Correct? In computers, recorded. So ma'am, you have the scores. Is there any time? I don't think so. So the score is there on the board, and as we can see, the team Radiant has scored 115 points. Maximum points 115. Congratulations to team Radiant for scoring the highest points. And the next we have team Spectrum scoring 95 points. Congratulations to team Spectrum. And in the third place we are having Team Quantum with 75 points, and in the fourth place we have Team Vibrant with 65 points, and then we have Team Matrix with 35 points. So that was the score which was the final score for this quiz. I hope you all have enjoyed the questions, and you must have. So the score is there on the board, and as we can see, the Team Radiant has scored 115 points. Team Spectrum scoring 95 points. Congratulations to Team Spectrum. And in the third place we are having the Team Quantum with 75 points. And in the fourth place we have Team Vibrant with 65 points. And then we have Team Matrix with 35 points. So that was the score which was the final score for this quiz. I hope you all have enjoyed the questions. So congratulations to all the teams, and I congratulate the teachers who have come with the teams, and they have participated here with so much of enthusiasm.
I'm Sr.Secondary from grade 10 of St.Thomas Public School, and this was a very exciting experience. I don't think any of us had expected the degree of questions that would be asked, and surely it was very knowledgeable for a lot of us. It is an experience that I should remember forever, and I think my teammates do the same. Thank you so much. Thank you to the organizing faculty. Thank you to Ms. Gauri Roy for being our amazing Toastmaster. Thank you to all our scorers, all the faculty here. Thank you all.
Diamond Jubilee of grade 8 studying in CBSE Public School Teachers Layout. It was very exciting, challenging, and we got more knowledge about this. This was the first time I'm attending an inter-school quiz competition. I got many more things to learn. Thank you.
And I request our teachers who are accompanied with the students to please come and give us some of the feedbacks.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I congratulate all the winners and even the participants of all the 5 games. And the inter-school quiz competition was just excellent. And also I congratulate the students who have put their effort and answered the tough questions, and even some questions were not going to us. And the second and third round was very good, and it was very innovative to the students. It was very helpful, and I thank the organizing team, the school, and all the teachers here who have given an opportunity for the students to exhibit their talents, and will come to know only we get a chance or opportunity for the students what are the hidden talents that we are having, and it was an excellent job. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Neha. I am a teacher of Excel Public School. I teach physics, and the type of questions I saw here in the competition were like very different. It could be the visual questions, it could be the questions she took as a paragraph to read and then answer, and it wasn't like everything was difficult. It had basic level questions also. That made it very perfect. I felt that the competition level was very good between all the teammates, and they were trying to answer and trying to communicate with each other. All went very well, I think. It was a great show. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the school, the organizers, for giving me a chance, and my thanks also goes to our Principal of Regional Institute of Education, who actually had enough trust on me to give me this opportunity to conduct the quiz. I keep on conducting quiz in the school many times, and I think most probably one of the quizzes which our principal sir attended, because of which he thought I could organize a quiz outside. So the thing is that I was working quite hard for making the quiz, but it was not an easy task because the team comprised of a student of standard 8, 9 and 10. So it shouldn't happen such that the 10th standard student is the one who keeps on answering and the 8th standard student doesn't get sufficient matter to think about. So choosing the questions was actually a tough job for me. But what I wanted is that the general notion which is developing nowadays about quiz is about some direct questions, giving some knowledge-based questions. We are losing some certain things about the history of science, what has happened and how experiments have come up, how discoveries were led to. So there are so many things and the area is so vast that it becomes very difficult when you are just saying that it is a science quiz. If you could come and specify an area, then it becomes easier to select the questions. So anyway, I tried my best possible to put up a good quiz. You all have enjoyed taking this quiz. I don't expect that you will know all the answers, but what I want is that curiosity should come in you. That okay, these are the type of things which we should be knowing. Or when you read a book, or when you read your school books, or when you learn about any topic, where they are applied, where we come across these. So these things you should try to always find out. Okay. So that was my main motive, to give you a greater exposure of the type of questions we can have. Because many of you, as you said, that you are attending a quiz for the first time. So if these things remain in your mind, then automatically you will look for that kind of knowledge. So I hope you have enjoyed it and you have learned lot of things. Winning or losing is always a secondary matter, but the spirit with which you all participated was really, really good. So I congratulate all of you once again. Thank you.